Namaste. My name is Kamala, and I've been a student of yoga since 1986 and have been teaching yoga since 1998. I've studied in a variety of traditions, and I was certified to teach in India in 2001. I welcome you to this course, Yoga Secrets You Probably Didn't Learn in Class. This course is designed to help you to take your practice to the next level by sharing with you some yogic secrets that aren't commonly encountered in a mainstream yoga class. This course covers 5 different topics, which are split into 6 sections, which are: number 1, we'll learn how to free and access blocked up energy through proper warm-ups, which include circular and spiraling movements. Number 2, we learn how to ground ourselves. We learn how to ground our energy through strong leg work and dynamic stances. Part 3, we work on freeing the spine through snake-like and undulating movements. In Part 4, we make the complex simple by learning that there are really only 5 basic positions, and I share with you the roots of all basic postures. And in the last part, we talk about yogic hygiene and observances and learn some breathing techniques. This course is designed ideally for the learner who has a little bit of yoga experience, but maybe is hitting up against some blocks and wants to push through to a next level. And so I invite you to enroll in the course, and I really hope that it increases your enjoyment and proficiency in yoga practice. Namaste.